Guys, welcome back to your Pentesters Club. Today we're going to solve another CTF challenge name called MAX. So what is the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here? So the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here: network discovery, enumeration, exploitation, privilege escalation, and capture the flag. So first, open the terminal. So first you just type your sudo su, enter your password, then later you just type your net discover minus I, it's 0. So first we would like to identify our network. So I have identified my target machine. Now just type it as nmap minus 34 minus a is an aggressive scan and enter your targeted IP address. So let's wait for these nmap results. So once we get these nmap results, later we would like to go here. So we would like to wait for this. So I have got the nmap result. One is available with port 80. It's in Apache server. And 512, it's like a Netgit RSH. And then 513, it's like a login for OpenBSD with a Solaris. 514, TCP wrapped. So quite interesting. Let's try to open the Firefox. We would like to try to visit our targeted IP address 192.168.18.1.54. So we have got, it's like a Monalisa. It's a sum of the art of the picture. We would like to we not yet get I would like to look this as a page source. I have got the image of this Mona Lisa. So quite interesting here. Now we would like to go here as with the first as a directory buster. Let me just come back here as 192.168.18.a54. Now we would like to go here as nicto minus h, then enter our targeted IP address 192.168.18.a54. So we not get any useful information from here. Now I think we would like to try to get this uh, image file. Let's try to copy, come back here. We would like to try here as clear. You just type here as wget, then try to paste this. We have got this. Now we would like to try here as we would like to go here as a strings image.jpg. We have got a Lisa or something here. Apart from we not yet get anything else, so we would like to try here as minus 10. So Lisa, my secure password. So we would like to try here. We already have we would like to try to here as let's try to come back here. We would like to try here as a or login. Enter your target IP address 192.168.18.1.54. As a Lisa, we would like to get a password is Kinakonda. Let's try to paste it here. Now we got it here directly as a Lisa. Now just type here as sudo minus l, where you can see here to get a root password. There is not required anything else. It's like a tmux. Now we would like to write here as we would like to look here as sudo list minus l cat a user.txt. We have find. You just type here as sudo minus u. I need to go to as a root and then try to paste it here. tmux. We already in the root. Now just type here as cd as a root list minus l id. We are in the root. Cat root.txt. That's it. We have identified the root flag. That's it. So you try to run, guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.